Good evening. Former State Government Minister Bernard Finnigan has been spared a jail term for accessing child pornography, but he's been declared a convicted criminal and listed on the sex offenders registry. His sentence ending 4.5 years of legal wrangling.
Once the police minister, now Bernard Finnigan will be forced to report to police because of his listing as a registered sex offender.
Do you regret your actions?
The judge was asked by Finnigan's defence not to record a conviction despite being found guilty of accessing child pornography. But Judge Stephen Milstead said the former MP deserved no such leniency. To this day, you have refused to acknowledge your guilt, nor have you expressed any contrition or remorse. People who access child pornography encourage the vile degradation and sexual exploitation of children. The courts must do what they can to protect children from such reprehensible behaviour.
Do you agree with the judge that your crimes are reprehensible?
A conviction recorded, but the 15-month jail term was suspended.
The fact that there was no plea of guilty and so on, I think a lot of people would have been expecting the sentence not to be suspended.
Finnigan's child porn internet browsing session on Christmas Eve in 2010 lasted only a few minutes.
There's a clear warning, I think, for a lot of people coming out of this case.
It's a stunning fall from grace for Finnigan, who was a Labor minister at the time of his arrest in 2011. The court's taking 4.5 years to bring him to justice. During that time, Finnigan's parliamentary salary continued to be paid, totalling $700,000. Former colleagues keen to put the sordid episode behind them.
I'm not going to be in the business of passing comment on it, reflecting on what the court has decided.
Do you keep in touch with him anymore?
No, I don't.
It's hard to imagine that he's got much, by way of a promising future. I think this is going to hang over him for a long, long time.
Kim Robertson, 9 News.